Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to discuss on various type of departmental examination in Indian Railway. If you are an employee of Indian Railway, this video is going to be beneficial for your career. Watch this video till the end. Are you thinking about departmental examination? Don't worry, you are in right place. Departmental exams are conducted for promotion to various categories in Group C as well as Group B. There are two types of departmental examination in Indian Railway. First one is General Departmental Competitive Examination, abbreviated as GDCE. Second one is Limited Departmental Competitive Examination, abbreviated as LDCE. General Departmental Competitive Examination (GDCE) scheme was first introduced in 1993 for filling up of 25% of net direct recruitment vacancies in Group C categories. It is an interdepartmental examination, that means regular employees, irrespective of department, shall be eligible to appear for this examination. This examination is conducted by Railways Recruitment Boards, where he or she is employed. Through this examination, regular employees can apply for higher position. For an example, if anyone is working in Group D post and his or her grade pay is 1800 rupees, can apply for higher grade pay post such as station master, assistant loco pilot etc. if he or she possess the required qualification. Employees from Railway Protection Force, Accounts Department, Catering are not eligible for this examination. Required qualification and syllabus for GDCE are same as the syllabus of non-technical popular categories, NTPCN, technical categories. Age limits for GDCE are as follows. Limited Departmental Competitive Examination (LDCE) are conducted to fill up 30% of vacancies in Group B vacancies in Engineering, Signal and Telecommunications, Transportation and Commercial Department, Stores and Accounts. It is an intra-departmental examination, that means this examination is conducted within the same department. Employee must complete 3 years and 1 year of services in Indian Railway for respective categories. Employees also need to have proper qualification for the post. That's all for today. I hope this video is beneficial for all. Thanks for watching.